Anyone who enjoys spending time outside should always have a survival kit on hand so that they're ready for the worst case scenario. You can defend yourself from harm by putting together a survival pack, but poor planning and a lack of preparedness can lead you down a path you do not want to go down. Welcome back, pirates. Come aboard. This is Pirate Discovery. We have compiled a comprehensive list of the best survival gadgets and gears that can make a difference in your survival, from basic supplies to waterproof matches. This one-of-a-kind blanket will be quite useful for maintaining a comfortable body temperature in hostile climates, simply because any battery that can be recharged may be used to heat it. Powered by a rechargeable battery, this portable heater doesn't require access to an electrical socket, making it ideal for usage in remote locations. This gadget can withstand being submerged in water without malfunctioning. The blanket may be used to get toasty in under a minute thanks to its quick heating capability. In addition, the 10,000 mAh capacity of the Rakim's battery makes the device's battery life of 9 hours possible at the desired temperature. This warm blanket costs $137. Because it is so easy to put together and take apart, even the most reckless people can use this handgun for self-defense, even in the most hostile settings. There's a high degree of dependability and user-friendliness in this paradigm. For the Glock 19, you can get replacement barrels that have been modified and come with a cooling system. In addition, a collimation sight can be connected to the shutter in order to improve accuracy when there's little available light. To that end, the cartridge's design is spare but effective. You should expect to spend approximately $2,500 on a Glock 19 pistol. This multifunctional waterproof portable charger has several uses. Use Poseidon as a flashlight whenever you find yourself in a situation where you need to see well in the dark. Additionally, a micro USB cord that is compatible with iOS devices is included in the package with this product. The charging of the phone occurs rapidly and effectively. The battery with 10,000 mAh proved to be really useful. The fact that Poseidon was able to survive drops at a pace that was twice as high as what was required by the military is evidence of its dependability and endurance. In addition to that, this gadget comes with two different plugs for charging. Poseidon is an excellent solution that ensures users and their pals can always have their electronic devices fueled up no matter where they are or what they're doing. This tool has a price tag of $80 only. The makers responsible for creating these clocks are optimistic that they have contributed something groundbreaking to the industry. Singularity's primary function is to show the time, but it can also perform a wide variety of other tasks. For example, the watch does not come with a magnifying glass with interchangeable lenses, so the magnification level can be customized. In addition, a carrying case is included with the product, allowing you to bring your Singularity watch with you wherever you go. Aside from being able to tell time, the watch also has a set of 6 small tools intended to assist the wearer in maintaining their composure in an emergency. The instrument features a compass that can be found at the very top of the dial and can be used to navigate. The Singularity watch may be yours for a price of $1,488. This watch does the basic stuff, but it also offers a ton of extra functions. There are compasses, barometers, and thermometers on board. The GPR B1000 also has a Bluetooth module for wireless device pairing. Together with annotated routes, maps, and full GPS functions, solar technology has been integrated by the designers of integrated things to charge the device's internal battery. However, a wireless charger is included in the package. The battery life of the GPS-enabled G-Shock model is roughly 33 hours. The device's rear is ceramic, and a sapphire crystal shields the low-temperature LCD screen. In addition, there is a broad polyurethane strap with carbon plastic inserts on the device. Midway through 2018, the GPR B1000 hit the market at a price of roughly $800 per timepiece. Similar to earlier models, this throwback is constructed with a unique spring composed of stainless steel, and the spirals simultaneously serve double duty as fishing rings. By using the spring, the length of the rod may be shortened to a length that is very easy to control, which makes it possible to fish in previously unreachable locations. Because of its lightweight and portable construction, the Castback fishing rod is an excellent choice for any situation, no matter how tough. This device can be thrown in any direction, including up, to the side, or straight down. In addition to that, giving your wrist a little flick before launch considerably intensifies the jolt. A castback is distinguished from other items because its components may be disconnected and reassembled straightforwardly. This rod is quite pricey, coming in at around $190 for purchase. This fishing rod is distinguished from others on the market by the absence of a reel seat. The rod included with the zoom rod has an extended range of 8 to 16 feet, depending on how it is set. Your fishing experience can be tailored to your preferences in less than a minute. Consequently, the user can transition from shallow to deep water with minimal effort and without the requirement of purchasing new equipment. The fishing rod handle is made of exceptionally long-lasting material. Most of the zoom rod is made out of carbon fiber, resulting in an instrument that is not only lightweight but also flexible and easy to work with. The device is pretty tiny. When folded, its total length is under 25 inches. The fishing rod can be yours for $155. Any emergency bag would be incomplete without this flashlight. The detail was crafted out of high-quality metal that had been anodized. The manufacturer of the 1K boasts that its halogen lamp has a lifespan of 2,000 hours, and the fact that it uses a rechargeable battery made by Panasonic XML makes it one of the torches with the most extended runtimes on the market. The power supply can be any ordinary USB cord designed for a mobile phone. It will work. Using the gadget for longer is possible before charging it because of the distinctive variable illumination function. Touch 1K distinguishes itself from the market because of its user-friendly touchscreen, which enables users to choose between settings and adjust the brightness with a tap of a finger. This facilitates the easy management of a single light's dispersal. This thing can be helpful to have when things are difficult. The cost of purchasing this flashlight is going to be $80. 3Coil, a design group based in London, has developed a multi-tool that is adaptable and effective. It takes the form of an automatic rifle. A real gun's worth of interchangeable parts, including a clip, a silencer, and a barrel are all included in this replica. A key holder can also be fashioned out of the cylinder head. When the handle is added, you can use them as a bottle opener. A tiny flat screwdriver is buried inside something that looks like a silencer. Both the upper section and the barrel resemble a scalpel. Despite this, the two detachable pliers appear as flat screwdrivers that have been crossed. You must remember that everything in Puna is connected to one another. A silencer, for instance, can increase the length of a scalpel so that it can be carried with one hand more easily. The clip can be turned over and used as a holder for a screwdriver if desired. In addition, the kits come with sets of interchangeable blades of their own. This unusual set of tools costs $26 only. This all-purpose shovel comes with 10 tools that may be used for anything from survival to fixing a flat tire. The device's principal function is to improve the blade in one of 3 places. The tool's 2-inch toothed edge comes in handy when slicing through rope or other similar materials. Further, a 3-inch ruler is included in the LAPD uniform set for precise measurements. The tool's replaceable handle is packed with extra features. A rod made of magnesium and silicone is located in the upper portion of the handle. A whistle is housed in the base of this light sapphire ideal and can be used to sound the alarm in an emergency. The can opener and knife are both stored in the handle. At $40, this multi-tool shovel is costly. And that's where our exploration for the day has come to an end. Do you have your discoveries? Don't hesitate to tell us that in the comment section down below. This is Pirate Discovery, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our next great adventures. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.